Are you starting a sublimation business? If so, I got you. But before you press one mug or your first tote bag, let me show you 5 costly mistakes that are super common. Let's go. Mistake number 1, buying the wrong blanks. Not all mugs, shirts, or tote bags are for sublimation. They have to have a special polyester coating to be able to be printed on. So first, check if they are sublimation ready. Mistake number 2, skipping the pre-press. Moistures and wrinkles ruin transfers. So be sure to pre-press your t-shirt or your tote bag or any textile before you actually print on them. It helps the ink bond better, but also prevents ghosting or faded prints. Mistake number 3, guessing time, temperature, and pressure. Every sublimation product needs its own specifications for printing. Don't just wing it. We have a lot of different instructions on our website, but also you can call us if you need more help. Be sure to test with small samples before you actually print on a large scale. Mistake number 4, using bad quality ink or paper. If your colors look dull or off, you might have bad quality paper or ink. So invest a little bit more so that your customers get the best possible prints. Mistake number 5, not knowing your numbers. If your pricing is too low, you're losing money. If your pricing is too high, you're not selling anything. So be sure to know your numbers. How much does the ink, does the paper, does the blank cost, does the labor cost? And this is gonna help you make better decisions in the future. So for that, if you need help to know what your profit is gonna be, we have a profit calculator for sublimation blanks on our website at giottoimigingsupplies.com and .ca. This is gonna help you do the math on specific blanks, and it's gonna help you focus on your business. If you're starting a sublimation journey, save this video and hit subscribe. Let us know what mistakes you've made or avoided. New tips coming every week, so stay tuned.